episode 1, episode 2.
Okay, this is probably going to be the worst slip and slide you've ever seen, but we're trying it. Rachel, how do you have to get your shirt wet? Front. Just close your eyes. Make it fast. Scoot up a little bit. There. Okay.
Why'd you go first?
You go! Is that cool?